Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can save the frame of any particular video. If you don't know, you can save a particular frame of any particular video in your Google Chrome. This gives you an alternative to clicking screenshots every time you're watching a video and you want to capture any particular frame of that video. So let's see how it's done. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, in our Google Chrome, I have this video. And now let's see, I want to capture any particular frame of this video. For example, let's say this particular frame. Now, if I want to save this particular frame or this particular picture, what most of the people will do that they will click a screenshot. But there is a more simpler way to do this. To grab a screenshot of this particular frame, you need to right click on this video. These options will appear. However, we don't have to look for these options. Right click on any other portion of the video again and you can see these options. These are the browser default options. Now, in this window, you can see the Save Video Frame As button. Simply click on this button. Now, you can choose any location where you want this particular image to be saved and you can name it as well. For example, this. You can also choose the type, although it is only giving the PNG format. So all you need to do is click on the save button. Once you do it, the PNG file will be downloaded and you can see it in your browser and you can also access it. Let's see. And here you can see that the particular frame has been extracted from the video and has been saved into your device. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.